The Norwin Online Academy, formerly called the WIUE Academy, is an online learning option for students who reside in the Norwin School District and will be entering grades K through 12. The Norwin Online Academy provides children with online learning, along with the opportunities to participate in all activities, sports, clubs, and programs. The Norwin Online Academy curriculum has been developed in collaboration with online learning experts and is based on years of research and best practices for excellence in online learning. The goal is to bring flexibility and options to the children of Norwin while building necessary skills for success. Students who participate in the Norwin Online Academy will enjoy all the benefits of being a Norwin student, including earning a Norwin School District diploma and participating in graduation ceremonies, while receiving a customized, student-centered education that meets individual education and social needs.